Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's a new year and this is a time when Ikea releases a lot of new products. And in this video, I'm excited to be sharing all the new releases of 2022. There are a lot of great, stylish and affordable pieces out here, so stay tuned. Hi, my name is Manas. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I share videos on home decor and DIY. Let's get started. Let's start with furniture, and the first piece I want to talk about is a sofa. This is a two-seater sofa at an extremely attractive price point of Rs 10,990. This would be a perfect option for bachelors or people who are renting out who want a comfortable and stylish seating option but yet do not want to spend a lot of money. The curved arms and the tapered black legs give it a very stylish appeal and make it expensive looking. You can pair it with some textured pillows, maybe style it with a throw, and you're good to go. The next sofa is also a two-seater sofa and is slightly more expensive than the previous one. This is another great option if you're looking for a cozy compact sofa. This one also looks super stylish with sleek armrests and tapered wooden legs. Both these sofas look really great and are available at a great price point. Next, we have a new cabinet for storage. This cabinet is available in white color and has a bi-folding door detail, which is so different from the other cabinets out there. The slightly tapered legs give it a very mid-century modern vibe, which is super trendy at the moment. You can use this to store your linens, your extra towels, extra cutlery, or even dining sets. The possibilities are endless. Since this cabinet is white, it's going to look amazing against colored walls. So if you happen to have a colored wall in your home where you have been looking for a storage furniture piece, I think this would fit in really well and create a beautiful contrast. Next, we have a door front which has this amazing slatted wood detail to it. The biggest criticism that IKEA furniture historical has is that the furniture pieces look very basic. So I think with this veneer door front, IKEA has addressed that complaint. Your storage cabinets would look very customized and very high-end. I've seen a lot of people DIYing this kind of a look, so it's great that IKEA has finally launched this so that everyone can have this kind of a customized look for their storage cabinets without the pain and efforts of DIYing. The next one is also a door front, and this one is in black marble. Now, IKEA does faux marble finishes really well. A lot of people try to achieve this look by using contact paper, but honestly, over time it can look really messy and cheap, and I do not recommend that over your furniture. So it's great that IKEA has finally launched this finish at a very affordable price. I could see this looking great on a TV console or a dining room or sideboard, just elevating the whole visual aspect of your cabinets. And the great thing is you can elevate your existing cabinets by just switching the doors to these new ones. IKEA has launched a lot of products for the home office, and it's just a reflection of the world that we live in today. Most of us are working from home. So this was a much needed range of products. There are a lot of interesting new pieces, so let's dive in. The first product is a table, chair and storage combo. The desk is a very spacious white desk with cable management and power socket openings on the back, which would mean no messy wires hanging out. The chairs in grey looks so chic. It's a high back ergonomic chair with adjustable height and wheels for easy movement. Another detail that I really like is that it has a magazine holder on the back, which is a little detail that makes it very unique and more fun from the other office chairs available in the market. You're also getting a filing cabinet storage along with this set. It's a set of drawers which you can use to store all your office diaries, notepads, stationery, chargers and everything else. The whole set is available at a price point of 21,970 rupees, which I think is a great affordable option for anyone setting up their home office. The next product is a table lamp, and I personally love the concept of this product. So it's a table lamp which has a circular lighting surface just like a ring light. This would be perfect for all of us because we take a lot of Zoom meetings these days. A circular surface like this lamp lights up your face evenly without casting any shadows or being too harsh on your eyes. So you are going to look great in your calls. Also, the lamp bends. So if you're not taking calls, you can always bend it downwards on the table to focus the light on the table where you're working. It also comes with the phone holder, which would be extremely handy to take video calls from your phone. Now, if you are a coffee or tea lover and you like to sip your beverage while working, I think the next item is going to be perfect for you. It's a coffee mug that can be attached to the table surface. So if you have a small table and you don't really want to keep your beverages there because there are chances of spilling it, then you can get this mug holder. I also think this could be a great option for gifting. The next product is a monitor stand with built-in storage. So if you use a monitor for working, I think this could be a great accessory for your existing table. It could raise the monitor to a perfect eye level so that your sitting posture is ergonomically much better. It also has a drawer, so you are also getting additional storage with this accessory. The design is really clever because there is space left out below for sliding in your keyboard as well. Next is my favorite section, Decor. The first one is a battery-operated decorative LED lantern. This would be super convenient if you don't want the hassle of wires running everywhere. You can just keep it on a surface and turn it on and you're good to go. And also when it lights up, there's this star-shaped detail that would look very pretty. Continuing on lighting, the next product is a candle holder. What I really like about this candle holder is that it is one linear holder with 4 slots to put in the candles. This is much better than those separate candle holder sets that are very popularly available because honestly they take up a lot of space. This one is a very sleek, modern and space-saving design. I think it's a must-have for your next candlelight dinner. Speaking of candles, if you have kids or pets and are not comfortable lighting up real candles because it's risky, then you can go for this LED 5-arm candle holder. This piece looks so stunning with its curved, almost architectural shape and the 5 candles at different heights. The matte black base as opposed to the white of the candles create a very interesting visual pattern. And this would be a perfect decorative lighting for your festivals or holiday decor or even in general parties or get-togethers. Also loving these new scented candles that Ikea launched, just for the fact that they visually look so nice. Look at this silver and green chrome finished candle. It would look so nice lit up on a coffee table. If green is not your color, then you can also consider this silver and black combination. The next one is a set of candles which is very unique and I haven't quite seen something like this. These candles have a very interesting finish, almost a stone-like texture which would look so stylish on its own. And you're getting the whole set of 3 candles at a price point of just 399 rupees. The next one is a set of artificial potted plants along with the pots. These artificial plants are actually succulents and they look super realistic. Now, I'm personally not a fan of fake plants, but if you want to keep a plant in your bathroom or your work table to add a pop of color, I think this would be a great pretty piece of decor that you can keep without worrying about maintaining or not killing the plant. This one is suitable for both indoor and outdoor spaces, so that's also an added benefit. So exciting to see that Ikea has been stepping up its rug game. It has released 2 new rugs in the rugs collection. Let's talk about the first one, which is a flat woven handmade rug in dark green color. It has this rich texture which feels like almost wool and looks so expensive. This color is a very neutral palette, so this would go really well with most decor styles. Also, if you have kids or pets and you don't want to worry about frequently cleaning it, the color being dark will not look dirty very soon. The other one again is a flat woven handmade multicolored rug. It has this interesting pattern which could become a visual focal point for your space. So if your space is very neutral or has a lot of light colored furniture, I think this would fit right in and add a visual wow to your space. A little bit about Ikea. Ikea is a Swedish brand of furniture which was launched in India in 2018, the first store being in Hyderabad. Later, Ikea opened a few stores in Mumbai as well. You can shop online on Ikea's website as well, but it currently delivers to a few selected cities only. So those are all the new products from Ikea that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please leave a thumbs up on the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.